Yo, what's up, guys? So, we're going to be talking about the Bitcoin price action, of course, getting straight into it. So, this is the second time I made this video, so hopefully it's good this time. And before we get into the chart, we are super bullish, right? Market fear, the fear and greed index, right? Super extreme greed, For the past weeks, months, we've had greed, 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 greed. And on the stock to flow model, we are in bull market territory. Like when it flips into the red, it just goes up. Look, red goes up, red goes up, red goes up. We are in the red. We are in the critical zone. The best time to buy was blues. Best time to accumulate was blue. And then when we get to the yellow and green, that's when we're cooling off. That's the best time to take profits. Green for profits. So basically, all right, so I think we're going to have a slight dump because we are really greedy right now. So we're going to have a slight dump because if you look, these are the other halvings. We had a dump right here, 50% dump, 50% dump right before the halving actually. And then over here, after the halving, 30% dump, right? So, and the only dump, if you want to call it, that we've had was like this one red candle of, like barely 20%. So it's like, I think we might need, or we might have actually a dump before the pump. And we're in this channel right now in the monthly candle, and I just took this basic TA, just drew a line and dragged it down, and 45K about is the target to if we were going to go down a lot more. And that would put us at, another 20% dump. So from the top, that would be almost a 50% dump, right? And, I think it might be super healthy, kind of, right? That would be the best time to go all in. Honestly, if you're not even in Bitcoin right now, you're just losing money. You lost money. Like, what are you doing? Um, But basically, like obviously the best time to go all in was bear market bottoms, or even right here at 30K. But like right now it's even a good time to go all in, like basically I think. And yeah, so if we do break down out of this channel, I think 45K is a possibility, but if we just somehow don't, we go Omega Bull, we're going to 80K, we're going to 90K. We're going to new all-time highs. And that's a scenario too, going up obviously. Obviously we want it to go up, but going down right now it just sounds a little bit like it might happen. So what else do I want to say? Oh yeah. So in the liquidations, there's more people short. You see $1 billion, over $1 billion in short liquidation. So this is their price where they're going to get liquidated at 72K, basically the previous all-time high. So if we get to 72K and people are going to get liquidated, we're just going to pump like 80K easily. And but people are short, so that might be smarter money being like, yeah, we're going to see the dump, just like I'm saying, we're going to see a dump, so they're shorting to make more Bitcoins. And because there's more people shorting, there's more people that are going to get liquidated at the tops than the bottoms. So I'm pretty sure that means there's more people short than there are long. There's only like 500,000 or 500,000,000 people that are going to get liquidated if the price goes down. So I'm pretty sure that means there's more people shorting. And yeah, I also wanted to show this market cipher picture that I got. So if you see like the green money flow right here, if you know anything about the market cipher indicator, it's so easy to read, like the green money flow, we're going up. So we could be topping out. The blue momentum wave is perfect curvature. We could be topping out, and of course, like look, we see perfect curvature up to the top. But that doesn't mean necessarily it's the exact top because it went down, and even as we were going down, we kind of came back up and hit a new all-time high. So it's like, yeah. it wasn't the perfect read back then, but clearly it showed the perfect bottom, perfect curvature at the perfect bottom, green dot to perfectly buy, go all in, you're rich now. And yeah, so before I end this video, I wanted to talk about stacks because, guys, if you don't know about stacks, you need this on your radar. You need this in your portfolio. This is the best altcoin for passive income, period, just passive income. And it's passive income in Bitcoin. And in the white paper, right, Stacks consensus runs completely on Bitcoin's layer 1. So Bitcoin, their blockchain, and Stacks L2, it's not really a layer 2, but they just call it an L2 for simplicity. And it cannot operate or survive without Bitcoin's layer 1. So basically how their consensus works is the stackers, it's like staking. They sign transactions and validate transactions, and then they get Bitcoins in return. So basically, in simplest terms, it's just passive income in Bitcoin, and you're helping the Bitcoin blockchain run. And Stack's whole project is about building dApps on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin being the #1 cryptocurrency, now having decentralized applications. Stacks is just gonna pump inevitably, like Ethereum is the best for passive income, like right now, obviously, because just buy a whole bunch of ETH, stake it, free ETH, free money, and that's got half a trillion dollars actually in market cap. So that's just because it was the first. There's so much dApps, there's so much projects, there's so much liquidity locked. So now imagine Stacks scooping up some of Bitcoin's liquidity, and not only scooping up some of Bitcoin's liquidity currently, creating more liquidity and market cap and capitalization on top of that. And I think Stacks could easily take over blockchains like XRP. Who uses that? Who uses Toncoin? Who uses Cardano? Like, it could even overtake Sol. Like, I use Sol all the time, right? I have Sol. It's a good blockchain, right? But like, Bitcoin is the king for a reason, the most decentralized blockchain. People are going to want to build on it. So, yeah, basically, yeah, that's a wrap. Honestly, yeah, I'm going to be posting videos every single day without fail because I have to, regardless if I barely have any information, because I need that YouTube money. I need that YouTube algorithm to pick me up, like, get me on the map, you know what I mean? Yeah, like, share, comment, subscribe, and peace out.